everyone. Welcome to Sliver Trades live trading session. This is Rao K. I'm doing this live trading session after a long time. So hope you all have been doing well. All right. Market overall has been trending down today. Now it's sideways. Let me start Sliver Bullet Pro trading software. And let's see what the market does here. It's sideways. So I will try churn shorts. Not expecting a whole lot of trades now. Between churn, scalper, and contrarian, I'm going to go back and forth. Market trended downwards nicely. Then there was a big pullback. Then opposite side pullback. So this is a chop zone. So I'm need to be careful. I'm not going to take a contrarian trade or default trades at this moment. Contrarian I might take if the market pulls back to one of the major moving averages, the red one, particularly the 233 SMA. Otherwise, I'm going to wait. Or I could take a churn scalper, a small trade in the opposite direction. If there is a nice pullback from the downside, I'm going to take trade with one contract. Showing a long trade might be coming with 36 ticks of risk, which is a big risk. Don't like that. But you're playing for only 8 ticks. Okay. So trade has been taken. 8 ticks. It has to move for a profit, $35. Won't mind $35.
Order filled.
Took default trade here. Just used one contract because I didn't like the position here. It's like all-time low of the market, and I didn't want a strong pullback, which could give me a heat. So I used only one contract. Um, I expect it to give me profit. If not, I will go for scale in and come out for break even. Reason I feel the market is going to go down is because market grabbed a lot of liquidity from here. It traveled up here to grab liquidity. The red line, those who have been, part of our uh, um, program, they know that 233 SMA acts like a river, river of life. Market moves away from this river 233 SMA and then moves back to it, then again moves away, moves back to it. So it moved back to 233 SMA, grabbed all the liquidity, came all the way down, and now it's it's in a range mode here. But I expect it to come down further because it spent a lot of energy going back and coming back. So it doesn't have enough energy left to go back again. So I expect it to go down before going back up. So that's why I'm comfortable taking a short trade here, though it's all day day low. Um, I would urge that newcomers be careful in
Target
this
filled.
kind of taking trades at the day low. But I just um, took it because I felt I could get 8 ticks there. So two trades, $71. Not to say a lot about um, the session so far, which is only 10 minutes since we started to trade. Was it 10 minutes? Yeah, somewhere. Yeah, in fact, 5 minutes only looks like. So in 5 minutes, made $70. It's dinner money for one, or maybe lunch money, somewhere between lunch and dinner money. Yes, lunch money and coffee for sure. Not the Brazilian buffet. Brazilian buffet, yeah, you will be cutting very close with this money. Brazilian buffet is about now how much? $65. Then you throw in taxes and tip and all that. It would be easily $100. Then you add drinks and this and that, iced coffee or iced tea. I mean, so so after this pullback, this pullback, market came down and resumed its downtrend. So I'm going to take a couple more trades. But I'll keep my risk low, only one contract, because we are at market low. Unless there is a nice pullback, I will not increase my contract size. Right, default trade. One trade is coming. Should I take or I should not take? That's the question. Market is at day low, stretched quite a bit. Not happy with where it is at. But let's see. All right.
Order submitted.
Trade was taken. It's not filled yet. I can make it fill by pressing aggressive button. Yeah, here market seems to have stuck. Okay,
Order
it's coming.
filled.
All right. Trade has been taken. So this is the pullback I was talking about. Market was at day low, and from day low it will try to pull back a couple of times. Before resuming its trend. Almost got a couple of, was short by a couple of ticks, I think. Yeah, it only made half way to the target. So the play is for very for a scalp, just a few ticks, 8 ticks for Nasdaq. If it's ES, that's S&P, I would trade only for 4 ticks. I'm defensive, not using two contracts or 3 contracts, trading only with 1 contract, because this is the kind of pullback we should avoid. When you expect this kind of pullback, when the market is at day low, if you use more than 1 contract, you'll see a lot of negative number here. So, which is not good. So here I'm going to turn scaling on. Because there is quite a bit of adverse movement. So the target got adjusted automatically at a break-even position, just 1 tick below the average price of the two positions, 2 trades. So the goal of scaling is to come out as quickly as possible. Control your greed. May come down even further. You could keep your original target intact, but we have built in the software for it to move the target to break even, so that
target filled.
Okay, so break even, it's like some 64 cents of profit in this. No, actually, no, $4 of loss here. $4. We lost $4 in break even. So we do have to do these things from time to time. Let's see if Churn Scalper gets us a trade. We can trade manually as well. So we want, we can press the sell button if we think its market is good. Here, say I press this and like the where the price is, I can buy or short from there. Here you go, $35 of profit. There's 104 from 3 profitable trades, and 1 trade we lost about $4. So manual trading button is also available, and these long and short are automatic trading buttons. So again, market is in chop zone, going back and forth. So in such a market, either churn scalper or contrarian. So what I'm going to do, so the short trade is on here. So it will take churn scalper, meaning it's like same as super scalper short, but only the price is above the green line, above 21 SMA. So I can take that trade, or I can also try and take contrarian if there is a push up. Price comes to this level, I will take contrarian trade. This is the resistance, and there is 233 SMA as well. So if price goes up, I will go for contrarian. If not, I'll wait for churn scalper. Another thing I want to show you guys is, what we now have is, Heikinashi. So this works like
Order
I can place
submitted.
an order. This works only with as NQ at this moment. So I can move and place a resting order. So if the market comes here, and I would expect it to come to this level, this swing high, and then give me a few ticks of profit. So that feature is also there. And to close this order, I should not click the X here. I should not. Just press the stop button. Stop will reset. So here, unfilled short order, you see, press
Order
stop,
canceled.
and that order gets cancelled. Reset, that message goes away. And that resting order works only when you turn Heikinashi on. So not sure it's a part of version 2 or not, but version 3 will definitely have it. Try it in sim before you try it in a real-time market, because I'm not sure we included that in version 2, which some of you have. All right, okay. So here comes my contrarian.
Order filled.
Took a little bit early, looks like. I should have waited till it came here. One more bar, I should have waited. I can stop and close the trade here if I want, like this.
Order filled.
So I could have waited for the full profit. When I press the stop button, I think I got profit of $45. Huh. I did better by stopping it. How is that possible? There's always slippages, slippage happens. Okay. So I kept the contrarian trade on. I would have gotten a contrarian trade here if this contrarian trade wasn't taken, because it waits for 3 bars before it takes a new trade, new contrarian trade particularly. $149. Um, if it goes back up, I could increase the. Okay, it's nicely coming down now again. I would still call it sideways market. Again, good pullback, but now market is again deciding whether to go down or uh, do something else. So I'm gonna wait. This is a chop zone. It shows it's 7 too long, 10 too long. It's 10 ticks too long. I could take a long trade as well in contrarian mode, but I don't want to take 5 ticks too long. And if I skip a particular trade, a dot is placed under the bar. So here I did not trade. So it's stuck in this zone. Once this clears, either comes below this level or this level, I will decide um, something. I can take short trade here. Yeah, I think. No, as I said, I want the market to move below this level. I'll be back in a minute.
Order filled. Target filled.
Another trade got taken. Not my favorite place. I should have waited till here, but got taken and gave me a profit as well for $185. The reason this trade worked well is because, as I was saying, I want the market to go below this level, below this wick. It went, and then there was a nice healthy pullback. And at that pullback, the contrarian trade got taken. That's why it worked. The goal is to trade after a pullback. If there is a healthy pullback, um, then that's the place to take a trade. Healthy pullback is, when the price um, goes down and pulls back to this green line, which is 21 SMA. Maybe time to take a long trade with the churn scalper. There is a pullback to back to green line. I would like to profit from that. Not a great idea, greatest of idea. Especially, I would want the newcomers to not trade against the trend. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not. Seeing the gap, there's a big gap between the price and 21 SMA. I'm willing to take that risk.
Order submitted.
Okay, order submitted, yet to be filled. If I press aggressive button like
Order
this,
filled.
it gets filled.
Target filled.
I did it just to show you guys. Market has pulled away like several ticks, what 10 ticks, and then I bought it. Could have reversed. It is just for demo. Uh, please don't do that. And if you want to not take limit orders but market orders, press the aggressive button, and that would give you. Uh,
Order filled.
Oops, super scalper.
Target filled. Order filled.
One more. Before I could turn it off, the trade was taken. So I don't like this trade, so I'm going to stop it.
Order filled.
So I stopped it. I could have waited. I could have averaged it after an adverse situation, but I wanted to show you guys that if you are not happy with the trade where it was taken, because see here it was taken here again, so it already price already moved, and it needed to move even more, which it is moving. It's like I could have kept it because it's a downtrending market. I could have taken a chance, but I wanted to show you guys how to stop the trade when something happened accidentally. And that trade, this second trade happened accidentally. I didn't intend to take it. So for break even, 82 cents after commissions. So about $250. And about 10 trades, 9 were profitable. One gave me a small loss of $4. That's the commissions basically. I lost commissions on that. And one of these 9 one trades gave me less than $1. So $258. I recommend that in the beginning, aim for about $300 a day. In our program, we show that even $100 per account. If you are trading multiple accounts, you should aim for only $100. So because if you have 3 accounts you are trading parallelly, that $100 could become 300. So of course the 250 would have become 750, but when you have more accounts, the goal is to also limit your risk. So aim for smaller target. If you were only trade high probability setups, don't try to take every trade. In that case, here I almost took all the trades and did some manual trading also, again to demonstrate. But I was I took some risk, and I calculated risks, and all those risks paid off. But when you are new, try to be defensive. The goal is to be consistent, make consistent small profits, and, and survive, live longer. That's all for today. Thank you very much for joining. So we traded for half hour today and made about $250. That's good enough, I guess, for now. And remember, I traded only with one contract. I usually use two contracts, especially in the beginning of the market session. I started late, and when I trade late, I do not get much movement. So that's why. And ATM2 looks for about 21 ticks of movement to close completely, and ATM1 only 8 ticks. So I used ATM1. ATM2 would have given me like six, seven, $800 of profit easily by now. So, but again, I have to watch the market before I decide how much risk to take. So if you have any questions, contact us at info@slivertrades.com. Sorry. Again, the email is info@slivertrades.com, and number is 331-888-26. Sorry, 331-255-3656. What I'm saying today. Again, the email is info@slivertrades.com, and the phone number is 331-255-3656. All these details, contact details, will be available in the description of this video. Any questions, contact us. Thanks for joining.